Welcome to Wayne Toyota. Today I am showing this 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland with only 15,474 kilometers on it. This vehicle was purchased in Thunder Bay and is equipped with over $8,000 in add-ons. Starting with the trailer tow package, which includes trailer hitch zoom, 240 amp alternator and heavy duty engine cooling, as well as the cold weather group, which includes heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. This vehicle also has safety group, which includes blind spot monitoring, rear cross path detection and rear park assist system. Some other features are the LED lighting group, leather-faced bucket seats with Overland logo, the MOPAR spray in bed liner, the MOPAR soft tri-fold tonneau cover, and running boards. Many of these features make this vehicle suitable for northwestern Ontario's snowy winters. As a bonus, the removable doors and removable Freedom 3-piece modular hardtop make this Jeep Gladiator Overland the perfect vehicle for those of us who want to get the most out of the sunny summer season.